Hello dear students, today we are going to do question number 6 of exercise 1.3. So let's read the question. It is given a certain freezing process requires that room temperature be lowered from 40 degrees Celsius at the rate of 5 degrees Celsius every hour. What will be the room temperature 10 hours after the process begins? So here in the question we are given that initially room temperature is 40 degrees Celsius. Then after every hour it is decreasing by 5 degrees Celsius. Now we are to find out here what will be the temperature of the room after 10 hours. So let's write the solution. First we will write initial temperature of the room, that is 40 degrees Celsius. Then change in temperature per hour. So here temperature is decreasing, so we will represent it by negative integer and it is minus 5 degree Celsius. Then change in temperature after 10 hours. For that we will multiply here minus 5 degree Celsius by 10. So it will be minus 50 degree Celsius. Now we will find final temperature. So it will be 40 degrees Celsius plus the change in the temperature, that is minus 50 degree Celsius. So it will give the answer minus 10 degree Celsius. Let's do now question number 7. Here it is given, in a class test containing 10 questions, 5 marks are awarded for every correct answer and minus 2 marks are awarded for every incorrect answer and 0 for questions not attempted. So here in the first part it is given Mohan gets 4 correct and 6 incorrect answers. What is his score? So first of all we will write marks given for 1 correct answer. It is 5. Mohan attempts 4 correct. So marks given for 4 correct answers, it will be 5 multiply 4 equal to 20. Now marks given for 1 incorrect answers, that is minus 2. And Mohan attempts 6 incorrect answers, therefore marks given for 6 incorrect answer, it is minus 2 multiply 6 is equal to minus 12. Now to find Mohan's score, we will add marks for correct answers and marks for incorrect answer. So it is 20 plus minus 12, that is equal to 20 minus 12 because plus minus minus, and hence it is equal to 8. Now see the second part. It is given Reshma gets 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. What is her score? So here one more child is there who attempts 5 correct answers and 5 incorrect answers. Now we are to find out her score also. So we will write marks given for 5 correct answer because she attempts 5 correct answers. So it is 5 multiply 5 is equal to 25. And marks given for 5 incorrect answers, that is minus 2 multiply 5, that is equal to minus 10. And now we will find total score 25 plus minus 10, that is marks for correct answers plus marks for incorrect answers. It is equal to 25 minus 10, that is equal to 15. Now third part. Hina gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers out of 7 questions she attempts. What is her score? So here Hina, she has attempted only 7 questions and out of them she gets 2 correct and 5 incorrect answers. So we will find her score accordingly. So first we will find that how many marks she got for 2 correct answers. So it is equal to 5 multiply 2, that is 10. Then marks for 5 incorrect answers, it will be minus 2 multiply 5 equal to minus 10. And now her total score, Hina's score is equal to 10 plus minus 10. We will add both scores, it will be 10 plus minus 10 and that is equal to 0. So this was the solution of question number 7.